More and more people are making money online every day. You can too, by joining with a community of entrepreneurs who are using the best website building methods in the world, a community that is second to none. The courses offered here are very educational, with simple-to-follow, step-by-step instructions provided with the use of video, text, and images. In the certificate courses, you will be taught how to build a website from start to finish, as well as how to monetize it. You can easily follow the training at your very own speed. So if you're already working at a full-time job, no worries. No one is watching you nor timing your progress. The community will even help you discover a niche if you haven't already selected one. The training has a lively community of students ready to reach out and help each other along the way. You can easily watch over another's shoulder to see what they are doing without a fear of punishment. In fact, it's highly recommended. In case you didn't get this already, that's training offered to all members 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. You will also find ambassadors who are at the top of the heap in their willingness to help you get the answers to any questions you may have along your way during your training, or even after your training has been completed. And get this, you can sign up for 1 full week for free. You won't even be asked for a credit card. That's 7 days of lessons free of charge. After the 7 days, if you think you could definitely gain an advantage with further training, you will be offered a discounted first month's charge in which, once you've signed up, you can easily continue with your training. Here's a tip for you. Never, ever skip any of the lessons. Always complete each and every step within each lesson before moving forward. Some students have had to learn this tip the hard way, and it has cost them a lot of lost time. Now, I know you're smarter than that, and that you will listen to what I'm saying, else you still wouldn't be here listening to me. This training will be worth your while whether you simply want to learn to set up a website for your personal use, for your business use, or simply start an online business that you want to thrive in. The lessons you can learn here will arm you with the knowledge needed to create a top-notch, top-ranking website in your field of choice. As once you become a premium member, you will have full access to a great keyword researching tool, live video webinars that focus on additional training, certificate courses, affiliate bootcamp training, and a whole lot more. So now, if you're ready to earn while you learn, click on the button below and get started by signing up for your free try. Be sure to complete your profile so other members can get to know you and help you out. See you there.